Hey traders, Katie here from Trade Ideas, and I'm here to give you this week's new blog recap. So this week is all about how to deal with confidence as a trader. Now, I myself am a relatively new trader. I'm only 23 years old, and that can really shake your confidence when it comes to how successful you are in the market. What if I told you there was a shortcut to gaining that confidence that older, more experienced traders have? Focusing more on the everyday tools and building trust with yourself and your trades is how we build that confidence or that self-efficacy with ourselves. Confidence is simply trusting yourself as if every other relationship. When you get to a point as a trader where you don't have to ask everyone their opinion on what I should do, when should I sell, when should I buy, that's when you built enough confidence to trust your gut, to trust your research, your trading plan, your logic. That said, in this week's article, I dive a little bit deeper into some of the tools you can use to build that confidence, how to start trusting yourself with everyday trades by starting small, practicing more, and allowing yourself to incrementally build on your habits. Confidence is a huge thing because it allows you to continue with your trading journey. When that confidence or that motivation runs out, you have really no more reason to start trading again. There aren't always going to be people in your corner telling you what to do. There isn't always going to be someone you can pay to trade for you. There isn't always going to be reliable news sources you can trust. You have to trust your instinct, your gut, and build that confidence to back your decisions, whether they're right or they're wrong. The most important relationship you'll have as a trader, at least, is with yourself. Just like dating, getting to know yourself, getting to know who you are as a trader by reflecting on your trading plan. Keep note of what you do well, what your strengths are, and keep note on what you need to improve on, what your weaknesses are, and see your trades transform. Traders are all constantly evolving just as the stock market is. So if you want to gain more confidence as a newer trader today, click the link below, give my article a read, and I'll see you next week.